Hello, this is a physiological and biological theory to develop a talent identification program system for potential elite netball players. My name is Mark Lancaster and I'm a Middlesex University student studying sports science. And today we're going to be looking at exactly what it takes to provide a program for elite netball players.
So Mark, what is this video all about?
I'll tell you. Elite netball talent identification needs for coaches and sports scientists to explore the parameters such as biomechanics, anthropometrics, physiology, physical motor ability, balance, agility, explosive power, which are all qualities that influence players with physical performance during a game. So, the primary aim of this presentation is to create a model that determines the talent identification process and develops of the elite netball player between junior levels to develop a senior standard.
So Mark, how do we do this?
I'll tell you. It's essential to identify the virtues of an ideal candidate by means of an assessment procedure. The physical profile of a netball player contributes to the numerous biomechanical deviations with regards to anthropometric qualities of a player. Yeah. Some of the test variables from an anthropometrical point of view are the weight, the height, the body mass and the fat percentages. We also can look at the skin folds of the tricep, the subscapular, the abdomen, the thigh and the calf. Physical motor abilities also are the agility, the balance and the explosive power.
Go.
So what are the biomechanical indicators?
Well, netball consists of a variety of polymetric movement which we could test for talent ID for players. For example, vertical or unilateral landing, ten in the air, jump forward or bilateral landing, no 10 in the air laterally, no a jump immediately followed by a second jump or an explosive change of direction.
Go.
So how high can they jump?
I'll tell you. Most elite players have vertical jumping ability in range of 35 to 43 centimeters. We have to remember that vertical jump will be influenced greatly by the physiological composition of individual athletes. The lower limb length will correlate with arm swings. It has been observed that players with longer lower limbs have greater vertical jumps and awesome anaerobic capacity. A lateral jump is classified as any jump which was landed outside of approximately 30 centimeters to the left or right of the takeoff direction. A turn in the air occurred when the hips faced approximately 30 centimeters or more to the left or right relative to takeoff. A jump immediately followed by an explosive change of direction upon landing.
3, 2, 1, action.
Okay, Ruben. How long can they run for?
The average distance covered in a game situation for an elite player is between 6 to 8 kilometers for center call per year. This means we are looking for players with an aerobic energy system working at a greater heart rate within range from 85 to 95% of a resting heart rate. with a lactic threshold of approximately 70 to 80% in well-trained individuals. And athletes spending above this level, we would then need to test the aerobic fitness. So, how fast can they run?
Netball players require the ability to accelerate, engage in play, decelerate, and accelerate again, sprinting on average 550 meters each game. The average time per sprint is approximately 1.4 seconds. Accelerating in netball combines technique and force production. So, we are going to test for speed.
And sprint.
So, how fast can they change direction?
Agility run can be used to determine a player's lateral, forward, and deceleration movements. It is very important that players have the ability to explosively change movement, velocities, or modes.
So Sheikh, how much power do they use from their legs?
Well, in a game like netball, rapid changes in direction, power production are all vital components that lead to success in the game. The vertical jump height is a good indicator of an athlete's ability to produce power, as well as a test to determine readiness to compete in the elite level. This anaerobic power test is performed at high speeds to produce maximal power output over a short duration.
So Sheikh, what tests can we use for high intensity endurance?
I'll tell you. The Yo-Yo Intermittent Recovery Level 1 test focuses on the capacity to carry out intermittent exercises leading to maximal activation of the aerobic system.
This program will be led by the students from Middlesex University.
My name is Mitu Ahmed, and I'm a sports and exercise science student.
My name is Sheikh, and I'm a sports science student.
My name is Cheyenne, and I'm a performance analysis student.
And my name is Ruben, and I'm a performance analysis student.
Bang bang. Chitty bang.